Welcome to this tutorial video on setting and keeping savings goals in the budget game. One of your main objectives in the game is to build your emergency fund. An emergency fund is a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses or financial shocks, such as car repairs or medical bills. This way, you can avoid going into debt or missing any payments when you get an unexpected bill that could otherwise throw off your monthly budget. To build your emergency fund, you want to start small by setting and hitting manageable monthly savings goals. As a reward, you will earn bonus points for saving a certain percentage of your expected income every month. If you set and achieve a savings goal of at least 5% of your expected income, you will earn bonus points. You'll earn twice as many bonus points if you're able to set and hit 10% of your expected income. Lower savings goals, or not hitting a savings goal, will mean you won't earn any bonus points that month. You can earn additional bonus points by hitting milestones in your savings account that go toward building your emergency fund. At the beginning of each month, you'll be asked to create a monthly budget. We go into more detail on how this works in our budget game overview video. The important part we would like to highlight in this tutorial video is that after you calculate your expected income and expenses, you'll set a savings goal for the month. On the screen, you'll see your total expected income, your total expected expenses, and your expected surplus and shortfall. A good savings target is to save 10% of your total expected income. However, it's more important to have a realistic goal for something you can achieve. You can use the calculator on the right side of your screen to help with your calculations. Click Start Month to continue playing the budget game. One of the main lessons of the budget game is to pay yourself first. This is a savings strategy where you prioritize contributing to your savings account before paying for any other bills or expenses. As soon as you receive your first paycheck, transfer the money you set as your savings goal for the month. Click Transfer Money from the left side panel and enter the total amount you want to move from your checking to your savings account. Click Confirm to complete the transaction. You can add more money into your savings account at any time to build up your emergency fund more quickly. However, remember that it's not just about saving every cent you earn. It's also important to spend money on things that bring you joy or improve your overall well-being, or else your quality of life score will go down. As you play the budget game, you will encounter unexpected pop-up cards that may throw off your monthly budget. Instead of using your credit card and going into debt, you could use your emergency fund. This is what it's for. If this ever happens, you can click Transfer Money and switch the accounts to transfer money from your savings to your checking account to cover the unexpected expense. Keep in mind that when you do this, your bonus points will go down. This is to encourage you to save extra money so you can get back on track and earn back your points. Thanks for watching.